Now we're on to lick number 3, and this really is an essential lick. This really is something that you need to have in your lick vocabulary if you want to play blues authentically. I could list countless guitar players that use this lick: Eric Clapton, Gary Moore, Jimmy Page, Stevie Ray Vaughan, the list goes on. This is a real classic blues lick. So this lick is going to be sliding between shapes 1 and 2 of the A minor pentatonic. You're going to start off by playing the 7th fret with your 2nd finger on the G string, and you're going to slide up to the 9, and then you're going to put your 1st finger on the 8th fret of the B and just pick between them. So you're going slide, and then B, G, B. And then we repeat that. So we play that phrase twice. Then you're just going to hold that shape. You're going to drop down a semitone. So your 1st finger is on the 7th fret of the B, and your 3rd finger is on the 8th fret of the G. And as you strike it, you're going to quickly slide up and then keep striking in that new position. So you get... So you play it 3 times. So you pick 1, 2, 3, okay? The first strike, you slide, and then you play it 2 more times when you've gone up to that next position. So you're striking 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But on the 1 is where you start a semitone lower and slide quickly. Make sure that that slide is executed straight away. Okay, so now I'm going to play that lick along with the click for you. So don't grab the neck too hard because you've got those slides going on. Try to keep your hand fairly relaxed. Something else that I do, and you can see people like Eric Clapton doing this. This is a really cool move. When you slide up, Eric Clapton will often take his thumb away and he's shaking the strings, adding a very aggressive vibrato as he's picking. You'd see Stevie Ray Vaughan doing the same thing, and Gary Moore. So again, try and add some of that iconic blues phrasing to this lick. So now it's your turn to play lick number 3.